Hello. So here we're going to do column addition. I have the number 347 and 582 that we're going to add up. Now for column addition, we are going to separate the numbers. I'm going to make them long by their placements. So we have 300. This is the 100 spot. Let me write that with another color. Hundreds. This is the tens column. So we have 4 tens. And then this is the ones column. And here, let me write that better. Ones. So we have 7 ones and 2 ones. So what we're going to do is we are going to add these. So here we have 7 plus 2, which is 9. Here we have 4 plus 8, which is 12. And then on this last one, we have 3 plus 5, which is 8. Now we have to get it so there is only one digit in each column. So this one is fine. So I'm going to put the 9 right here. However, 12, we need to keep the 2, but carry the 1 over here. So we will add the 2 right here. And then this would then, let me show you with another color. So you would carry, actually let's do purple. You would carry that 1, so it would be plus 1. That way you could visualize it better. And that will become 9. So here we have 1 digit in the 100s, 1 digit in the 200s, and 1 digit in the ones. So our final answer is 929. Now, I also want to show it the other way, the way that most of us were taught, just so we could compare it. So we have, here, let me put it down here, 347 plus 582. This is 9. This is 12, where you would put the 2 here and the 1 here. You would typically add these, which would be 8, and then plus that 1, which is 929. So same answer, different ways. When I think, in comparing to how I was taught, which is this method, to now how I'm learning about the column addition, I really like how you can see this visually better. So here you see the 12, and then I like how, personally, I liked writing the plus 1 right here. That was something I didn't see all the time when looking up this stuff. So I think that's a little extra benefit to it. But really, it's the visualization, because when you look at this old method, which is typical, it's kind of random. Like, I could see how that can be confusing. Like, there's just this 2 and a 1, but you had 12 here. So with this, you visually see that we had to carry that 2 to the 1, that 1 to the hundreds place, whatnot. So just a bit visually better. And then you could really, it also helps you visualize the placements also with the columns.